Welcome to Wisconsin. Clear roads, no traffic on the freeway. Beautiful fields and nature. Enjoying the scenery.
We're on that side.
Mommy, we're on the eastern side of the peninsula.
Yeah,
So,
okay. Oh, I thought western and then. Oh,
Eagle panorama.
So sassy. That works.
You know, and you can have some milk.
He's hanging off the edge. I'm not standing on ground right now.
Yeah. Some beautiful sunset. Check out the endless shores, water. Other side is Michigan. We're in Wisconsin right now. Beautiful sunset.
我这个不知道怎么做，现在咋不还是？这个我看到不可以。
So we're making some great strides. Elevation's going up and up and up, and we're almost near the end point. Headed down this tall staircase, about 10 stories or more, to get to the top. Now we're headed back down. We're gonna race and see who wins. People on the ramp or us on the stairs. Although we're going a little bit slow, but nonetheless, let's see who wins.
Can you close the sun with your head, actually?
This is Green Bay. And beautiful. Looks like people are still swimming. The water's still warm. Or sorry, this is Lake Michigan.